Hi, my name is Emilio Mendez.
I am Glenn Glazer.
My name's Vishnu Pfeiffer, and this is the CNC Upgrades team. So with this project, we left the base of the machine mostly untouched and focused mainly on updating the software and replacing the hardware.
So here you can see the setup for all the electronic components that we have bought so far to upgrade this machinery for next semester.
We also decided to replace the original 20-year-old software with the Mach 3, which is a popular choice among hobbyists and industrial settings.